Wengi wenu niko sure mnashanga how the website kama Facebook ilikuwa developed hadi a person ataweza upload picture ama video, then hiyo video itaweza kuwa liked, commented na utaweza view kwa feed ya Facebook. Many people wanadhani ni magic, but honestly si magic, is a software development process. Na that process ina require some technical skills. Firstly, kuna different kinds of websites. Tuko na static websites kama blogs. Hizi websites as a viewer ama as a person mwenye una view website huwezi ka edit anything, you can only read. Secondly, tuko na dynamic websites kama Facebook, Instagram ama TikTok. Hizi utaweza kufanya editing, like utaweza ka update your own data, then after updating your own data utaweza ka edit hiyo data, and then ama utaweza ka delete hiyo data. Let's say kama Facebook utaweza ka upload picha yako, na hiyo picha ukiboeka nayo utaweza kufanya nini? Utaweza ka delete that image. So what process do you undergo ndio uunde website? For you to create a website, firstly lazima ukae na idea. Let's say unataka kuunda an e-commerce website for your own business. That e-commerce itaweza kuwa na some pages, let's say landing page yenye itakuonyeshana your products you are selling. Kutakuwa na category page yenye itaonyeshana the kind of categories of the products yenye uko nazo. Na pia itaweza kuwa na admin pages where utaweza add products, update products, kuangalia ni watu wagani ama ni customers wagani wamebuy your products, kuarrange for shipping and delivery methods. Now after that, since you are not a developer, utambidi umehire a developer. So the developer will advise you, kuambia your idea is awesome. Now I will help you to develop that website, but now I am a developer, not a designer. Now since he is a developer, you will need to hire another skill mwenye atakuwa ni designer. So the designer will turn your idea into some designs. So these designs ndio zita guide the developer on how the website should look like. So the designer will use some tools kama tuseme Figma, Adobe, zenye zitamsaidia na yeye kudevelop those designs. After the designs are complete, now is the work of the developer. The developer will figure out what kind of programming languages, the frameworks, the databases na hosting providers zenye atatumia for him to complete the development process. For the development of the user interface, a developer is likely kutumia pure CSS for styling, HTML na JavaScript for him to make the UI ikae appealing na ikae venye design ziko. After I finish to develop the UI, now the data, the products and they need to be stored. Now for them to be stored, they won't be stored kwa frontend venye tulisema the previous video before. The developer atatumia some backend frameworks na languages kama Python Django, Node.js, Java, Ruby, Go na kadhalika. Na languages zitamsaidia ku create API zenye ni application in programming interface yenye itamsaidia ku receive na kutuma data between UI na the server. Then after data imekuwa transferred from the UI kuja kwa server, that data it need to be stored na itaweza kustoliwa either kwa structured ama non-structured databases. So we have kind of database tutaweza kutumia SQL, Postgres ama MongoDB. Hapa data itakuwa stored. After developing the website, kumbuka the developer alikuwa na develop kwa laptop yake ama machine yake. So the customer won't be visiting akitumia kwa laptop yake. The website need to be ikue kwa internet. Here now the developer will choose the hosting providers zenye ako familiar nazo. Tuko na AWS, Amazon Web Service, Amazon, tuko na Microsoft Azure, tuko na DigitalOcean, Heroku, Netlify na Fazel. Here the developer atanunua domain name. Hii ndio jina lenye ina identify website uniquely kwa internet. Then ata host the website kwa internet, then the customer will start hiyo ndio process yenye inatumika for you to create a website from scratch mpaka ikae kwa internet. Thank you.